In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Confluence admin password. Whether you're an experienced Confluence user or just getting started, managing your account's security is vital. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your account remains secure. First, you'll want to navigate to your Confluence homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the profile icon, which is positioned conveniently in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing additional settings related to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you'll find various options related to your account management. Next, you'll want to focus on the Security section. Click on this option to proceed. Entering the security settings is an essential step as it grants access to change your password and manage other secure information tied to your account. After clicking on Security, you're prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity, ensuring that unauthorized changes are not being made to your account. Enter your password accurately and take care to remember it in case you need to access it again in the future. Having verified your identity with the current password, it's time to enter a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password is an important line of defense against unauthorized access. Make sure it's something memorable to you, but difficult for others to guess. Once you've decided on and entered your new password, it's time to finalize your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. This will apply the new password to your account, securing your Confluence settings with the updated credentials. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Confluence admin password. Remember, maintaining strong and regularly updated credentials is one of the best ways to safeguard your online presence. If you have any questions, feel free to check the Confluence documentation or contact support for further assistance. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide useful. Resetting your admin password should now be a straightforward task, and with these steps, you can ensure that your account remains secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and as always, thank you for watching.